Hi, Deadlocks here again, and today we've got this 5-lever Walsall padlock that I'm going to attempt to pick open.
Attempt being the word.
This is a very fun lock that loaned to me by Coxie's Picks. I have thoroughly enjoyed it. I think I may have to purchase myself one at some point. This lock takes a very light touch. 5 set, 3 set, 4 set, something dropped, 5 set, 4 set, 3 set, checking things. I think that's 1 set, 5, 4, 3 and 1, watch on 2, 5 set, 4 set, 5, 4, 3, there we go. We have an open. That's all from us. See you next time.
Bye.
Open. Open. It's not open. It's not voice activated. Open it. It says, open it. No.